Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing resources and attaching a virtual machine to your Roblox project. First, enable beta features and install Roblox Studio. This unlocks VM hosting options. Next, create a new place and provision a VM with at least 2 GB of memory so scripts run reliably. Then link your Roblox account to the cloud provider and generate API keys. Without them, you cannot deploy. Once done, store keys securely and move to deploying your runtime image. Now deploy the runtime and configure the VM environment. Upload your runtime image, select the correct platform, and include required dependencies so modules resolve at runtime. Set the startup script and environment variables. These control service behavior and secret handling. Map ports for inbound connections and ensure file paths match your place assets. Test locally with the emulator to confirm behavior and logs. This step lets you catch permission issues before cloud deployment. Finish by deploying to the hosted VM and validating that your Roblox place uses the new instance. Once deployed, monitor logs, health checks, and resource metrics to ensure stability and performance. If players report issues, reproduce the error, then inspect startup logs and API connectivity. Often an incorrect key, blocked port, or mismatched dependency version causes failures. If needed, roll back to the previous image, fix the config, and redeploy. Remember, incremental changes and clear logs make troubleshooting faster.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.